Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with another Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I did some more rebates today on my lunch and after work because I wanted to finish up the Make It Rain bonus so I get my $10, okay? Yes, so let me share with you guys what I got. First rebate I decided to do was on the brown cow yogurt. It's priced 96 cents in my store, so I paid 96 cents because I did not have a coupon. The rebate is for 25 cents, making the final cost be 71 cents for the yogurt. My husband likes it because it has the fruit at the bottom. He says it's really good. Next rebate I decided to do was on my Haagen-Dazs. Haagen-Dazs ice cream is priced $3.88 in my store. No coupon, so I paid $3.88 in store. Got back a $1 rebate from Ibotta. Final cost $2.88 for the Haagen-Dazs. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Dove gift set. This is a great Christmas gift, guys. It's priced $9.88. You're getting a body wash, a poof, and the body polish. That is a great deal, I feel, guys. And let me tell you why. There is a $3 Ibotta rebate coming back, and there is Shopkick, guys. So for Shopkick, you're going to scan in store. When you scan it in store, you're going to get 25 kicks. When you upload the receipt, you're going to get 600 kicks for a total of 625 kicks, which is the equivalent of $2.50 coming back. So we're going to get a total of $5.50, $3 from Ibotta, $2.50 from Shopkick, for a final cost of $4.38 for the Dove gift set. Yes, that's going to be a Christmas gift for somebody. Next rebate was on the Axe gift set. Yes, it was priced also for $9.88. There is a $3 Ibotta rebate and Shopkick as well, guys. So scan in store for 25 kicks, upload the receipt for 600 kicks. Like I said before, it's a total of $625 in kicks back, which is the equivalent of $2.50. So the final cost for the $9.88 that I pay in store is going to be $4.38 after the Ibotta rebate and after the Shopkick points. I think that's a great deal. You are getting, in this one, you're getting the body wash, you are getting the hair conditioner and shampoo 2-in-1. Then you're getting the Axe body spray. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Dent Gum. There is a BOGO rebate where you must purchase 2 and you will get $1.12 back. So they cost $1.12 each, $2.24 for the 2. Paid $2.24 in store, got back $1.12. Final cost $1.12 for 2 packs of Dent Gum. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. They were priced $2.98 in my store. I did not use a coupon, so I paid $2.98 in store. There is a 45-cent Ibotta rebate coming back, and Shopkick is giving some points, okay? You're going to scan in store for Shopkick points. You're going to scan and get 20 points in store. When you upload the receipt, you're going to get 300 points for a total of 320 points, which is the equivalent of $1.28 coming back from Shopkick, and the 45-cent Ibotta rebate makes the final cost be $1.25 for the Frosted Flakes. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Renews-Its. There is a BOGO rebate for these where you must purchase 2 and you will get back 97 cents. So they were priced 97 cents each. For the 2, $1.94 is what I paid in store. Got back 97 cents, so the final cost is 97 cents for the 2 Renews-Its. Next rebate I did was on the Just Sanitary products. These are the pads. They were priced $4.92 in this Walmart that I went to. There is a $3 Ibotta rebate. The final cost is $1.92 for the pads. Now, the bad thing was I wanted to do the tampons, but they only had the light ones. So I was just like, I'm not going to do the rebate there. And I can't do it at my normal Walmart because they're priced actually more. They're priced $5.47. So make sure that you try to get a Walmart that they're priced $4.92, which is like the rollback price. right, so the next rebate I did was on the all laundry detergent. This one was priced $4.74 in my store. I used a $50coupons.com coupon. I paid $3.24 in store, got back the $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.24 for laundry detergent. That's a great deal. Now, the crazy thing is I went on my lunch trying to do these two rebates that I'm about to tell you about, the other all laundry, and they told me they don't take printable coupons anymore. I was like, when did Walmart start doing that? You always get a cashier once in a while that's doing the most, that declares that they got some new policy, went right to my Walmart and they took my printable coupon. So I wasn't listening to her, okay? I was like, that's fine, take it off, give me my coupons. And I went right to my normal Walmart, no problem. They took my coupons. I was like, what's she talking about? Whatever. All right, so this all was priced $4.97 in my store. This is a 25 pack. Use that $50coupons.com coupon. Paid $3.47 in store. Got back my $2 Ibotta rebate, and the final cost was $1.47 for the all laundry. You can't beat that. You must keep doing that as long as you can do it. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the La yogurt smoothies. Okay, had to do this again. It's $3.32 in my store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, and there is also some Shopkick points. Okay, now it didn't give me points for scanning in store. I've probably maxed out on that because y'all know I kept doing this. Now I'm expected to get 150 for uploading the receipt, okay, which is the equivalent of 60 cents, which is going to make the final cost be $1.72 for the smoothies, the yogurt smoothies. Great deal. This rebate I did, guys, was on the Kellogg's Pops Jumbo Snacks. They were priced $4.98 in my Walmart. I did have a $1 coupons.com coupon that I used, so I paid $3.98 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, and Shopkick. Shopkick scanning in store, you get 35 kicks, and for uploading the receipt, 350 kicks, for a total of $1.54 coming back from Shopkick, plus the $1 Ibotta rebate, makes the final cost be $1.44 for the Pops. Pretty good deal. Next rebate I did was on the Dove bar soap. Again, it was priced $3.47 in my store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate and Shopkick. With Shopkick, I did not have any kicks available for scanning in store, but for uploading the receipt, 175 kicks or 70 cents coming back made my final cost for the Dove 3-pack bar soap $1.77. Now, the next rebate is the Hungry Jack Pancake Mix. It's actually priced $2.12, even though on the shelf it was priced as $1.98, okay? But it was $2.12. The Ibotta rebate is for 50 cents, so the final cost is $1.62. Now, there is also any pancake mix for 10-cent rebate, which also counts as a separate rebate for the Make It Rain bonus, making the cost for the pancakes to lower a little bit, $1.52 after the 10-cent any rebate. Last and final rebate, guys, was on the Chef's Craft Chicken. I keep doing this rebate because it's chicken, it's food, okay? $6.46, there is a $3.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $2.96 for the chicken. The next rebate was for the Del Monte. I purchased 3 of the new potatoes. That was $2.94. Got back the 50-cent rebate. Final cost $2.44 for 3 cans of the Del Monte. Let's just go over the numbers, guys. You guys don't want to know. I've tried to record this video several times, okay? The total of everything before coupons, $69.68. I had $4 in coupons, which dropped the cost down to $65.68. Now, remember, I told you I did this in 2 transactions. First of all, let's remember I always use Ibotta money to pay for my hauls, guys. So I appreciate you guys that use my referral code. That helps out Coupon and Crystle bring you these lovely Ibotta hauls, okay? All right, so the total of everything, guys, was $69.68. I had $4 in coupons, which dropped the cost to $65.68. Then I had a $5 gift card Shopkick that I rolled over, and that made it drop to $60.68. Now, this is what I got back from Ibotta. $24.39 in rebates. Brought it down to $36.29. For the bonuses, I got $11.50, which was the $10 for the Make It Rain bonus, $1 for the midweek mistletoe bonus. For that one, I had to do 12 rebates. For Make It Rain, I had to do 34. 50 cents for completing the December level 1, okay? $11.50. Brought it down to $24.79. I expect to get back $7.14 from Shopkick. I said I expect to get because my receipts are still pending. All right. Making the final cost be $17.65, guys. I think that is great for everything that I got. I got laundry, I got food, I got gift sets for people for presents. So I think I got some great items, guys. Let me know in the comments below of the video if this was helpful for you. I hope it was. Make sure you give Coupon and Crystle a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and I appreciate you guys' support so very much. And remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.